Alright guys, good morning. I hope you are doing so well. Let me show you guys how I've been catching all these moves of gold. I have come to love gold recently. At first I didn't I used to love gold like that, but recently I love trading gold a lot with my trend line strategies, in a combination of key levels, structural liquidity, and points of interest. So let me start from the 1 hour. Okay, we are already on the 1 hour time frame, so you can see on the 1 hour time frame gold was trading bearish. Then we had this break of structure, or this change of character to the upside. So gold came back to retest this zone, and it aligns with my QML entry strategy. So gold came in, picked my entry, and I caught this trade, and I even ended two positions. That was on the Monday, and I was able to smash $1,100. That was the profit that I made out of this particular setup. Okay, and yesterday the same thing, because gold created a new trend line. So I was waiting for gold to come and touch the trend line, and that trend line also aligns with my breakup block entry. So you can see how gold created this inducement, sitting above the breakup block, then took away that low, tapped to the breakup block, and it also aligns with the trend line strategy. So gold came exactly to the point, then gave us buy. This was more than I think that was more than 857 pips. That was massive. That is 1:6 risk reward ratio. Okay, so what is my next move, or what is my next bias on gold? Gold is still bullish on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, but gold has created a new high. You can see if price is moving, price has to create low, then gold has created a new high. So we have this low, this high, this higher low. So gold has given us a new higher high. Okay, so whenever market creates a new higher high, your anticipation is what? To create a new higher low. Okay, so I am waiting for gold to pull back to at least the trend line, then you will buy again. But with my counter trend trading strategy, what I am anticipating now is that I am waiting for gold to come and touch this trend line again, which also aligns with my supply and demand trading strategy. Okay, so currently this is where I am anticipating gold to reach. Okay, so once it reaches here, I'll go down to the lower time frame to look for my break of structure to the downside, and I will look for my entry models, whether breaker block, order block, or QML with inducement. Then I will sell gold to this point. Okay, but that one will be a risky trade, because it will definitely against the 1 hour trend line. Okay, then I will buy it, because price moves in what? Impulsive, then corrective. So now gold has created a new high, so I am waiting for the corrective move to this trend line again. Then that is where I would want to buy again. So that is simple strategy. And it works. Sorry guys, it works like a magic. Okay, then I can do